Dubbed the Vaxivan, this innovative vehicle to drive up jab numbers is the creation of Canberra Girls Grammar students.
We came up with the idea of vaccinating a vulnerable group of people, the homeless. So we created a van, a portable vaccination station.
The group taking inspiration from the Orange Sky Laundry and Vinnie's Night Van to solve a real-life problem.
It was a way that it's actually feasible for us to make a difference rather than using the Flying Doctors service to travel to Alice Springs and things like that, and we wanted to think more locally before bringing it to a national level.
The pitch, all part of an online Shark Tank-style competition run by the Academy of Enterprising Girls, with students laying out their plans to Women's Economic Security Minister Jane Hume.
So in Australia, just 8% of startups are female-led, and that's a statistic that the Academy for Enterprising Girls wants to improve.
It's nice to have validation, obviously, from someone so high up, Minister Hume, but also just know that the ideas that we're coming up with as young girls are really things that we could see in the future.
Equipping young women with the tools to become tomorrow's female founders.
Our aim isn't just to provide young women with the skills, it's also to equip them with the confidence so that they believe that they could very well be the next Melanie Perkins of Canva.
Natasha McFarlane, Win News.
Enjoyed this Win News item? Like, tag or share with friends.